Started. Hi Vishal.
Hi,
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay, I'm taking a documentary on safe trees. So I'll just ask you two questions, okay? The first question, why do you think trees are important?
Uh, actually, primarily trees are, the essence of life. I mean, they provide us oxygen mainly. They take our carbon dioxide, which we consider waste. So they take our waste and they provide us oxygen, which is the source of life. So that's the only reason the trees are very important. They give us oxygen, and that's the source of life.
Okay, next question is, why do people cut trees in the first place?
You mean deforestation?
Yes.
Because what I think is that the main cause for deforestation is overpopulation, because people are getting overly populated and they don't have space, and they're sort of congested and all that. So overpopulation is the main cause of deforestation. That is what I think.
Okay, Vishal, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Vamshi.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, actually I'm taking a documentary on safe trees.
Okay.
I'll be asking you two questions, okay? But the first question is, why do you think trees are important?
See, trees are in our daily life. Trees are very important because we get oxygen from our trees. They absorb carbon dioxide from our bodies and they give oxygen to us. So basically, trees are very important, even to reduce the pollution.
Why do people cut trees in the first place?
Let me tell you, these days in India, most probably, people are became very cunning and they started cutting the trees and smuggling them, like sandal trees and all. So that is also one of the reason, and even people are cutting the trees for the land, for the acres to build the buildings and all.
Hi Suchit.
Hi,
How are you doing?
good.
Okay, I'm taking a documentary on safe trees. I have two questions for you, okay? The first one is, why do you think trees are important?
Trees are important because they give us oxygen and they also provide us shade during summer.
Okay, the second question is, why do people cut trees in the first place?
To make it a concrete jungle, to build buildings.
And
That's one of the main reasons why they cut down trees.
that's it?
Furniture secondary and well, it's a concrete building.
Okay, thank you. We are taking a documentary on safe trees. I have a few questions for you. The first one is, why do you think trees are important?
They are important for urban living actually, and we get vegetables from it.
Tell me.
What else? Most important actually, trees are. Other than that, nothing much.
Okay, the second is, why do people cut trees in the first place?
Even I don't have any clue about it, but for the housing thing, and foods and all that.
Okay, thank you, Jack. Hi, Rachel. Hi. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Okay, Rachel, I'm taking a documentary on safe trees. I'll be asking you two questions, okay? The first one is, why do you think trees are important?
They are very important, especially because they are the source of life. They not just give oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. They, it removes all the pollution that we have. It gives food, different animals, and also to us. So without trees, there's no existence.
Okay. Why do you think people cut the trees in the first place?
Oh, I know for commercial value, like whatever, so much infrastructure, half of it is because of these trees. But not
Documentary on safe trees. So I'll be asking you two questions, okay? Why do you think trees are important?
It reduces the pollution and produces the fresh air. And it gives some shade in this concrete jungle. It's somewhat needed for us.
Okay. Why do people cut trees in the first place?
The first sense is that to occupy the land because they want to build their houses. And the main thing is that in the city, Hyderabad, the cost of the land is more than compared to the other. So So more of the people want to get more land.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the next question is, why do you think people cut trees in the first place?
See, first thing is people don't know the importance of trees. That's the reason they cut. Second thing is they want more and more space. So for space, they start cutting trees instead of using miniature size plants.
Meet the needs.
See, of course, they want a way. They want a way on the road, so they start cutting trees, and they want to put something. They start cutting trees.
Do you want to think why do people cut trees?
For this place.
Charan?
Yeah, they need wood. They need wood. Leaves for goats.
Last में father डाले अंदर
They need wood for burning and all for coal thing. Sometimes burning some bonfire thing. I did that.